Managing your water bill can sometimes feel like a challenge. Thankfully, there are several effective ways to reduce your water charges without sacrificing comfort. In this video, we are going to break down the 5 best strategies to help you save both water and money. Here at the Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to also become more energy efficient. If you're looking to save more on your energy bill each month, head over to theenergyprofessor.com and use our one-of-a-kind energy savings calculator to see how much you could be saving each month on your electric bill. Number 1. Fix your leaks promptly. One of the most common culprits behind high water bills are leaks. A dripping faucet or a running toilet can waste gallons of water each day they remain broken. Regularly check your plumbing for leaks and repair them as soon as you notice them. Even minor fixes can lead to significant savings over time. Number 2. Install water-efficient fixtures. Switching to water-efficient fixtures such as low-flow shower heads and faucets can drastically reduce your water consumption. These fixtures are designed to provide the same level of high performance while using less water. Additionally, consider upgrading to a high-efficiency toilet. These toilets use significantly less water per flush compared to older models. Number 3. Mindful watering practices. If you have a garden or a grass lawn, being mindful of how and when you water can lead to substantial savings. Water early in the morning or late into the evening to minimize evaporation. Also, consider using a drip irrigation system. This delivers water directly to the roots of plants, reducing waste. Grouping plants with similar water needs together can also further optimize your watering schedule. Number 4. Reduce your shower time. Shortening your shower can have a big impact on your water bill. Aim for showers between 5 to 10 minutes and consider setting a timer to help you stay on track. If you're really keen on saving, try turning off the water while lathering up or using a shower timer to encourage quicker baths. Before we get to number 5, if you learned something, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on ways to save money on your energy bill. Number 5. Collect and reuse water. Consider implementing water reuse systems in your home. Simple practices like collecting rainwater in barrels for outdoor use or using leftover cooking water for plants can really make a difference. This not only conserves water but can also lower your overall consumption, helping to reduce your water bill. By implementing these 5 strategies, fixing leaks, installing efficient fixtures, practicing mindful watering, reducing shower time, and reusing water, you can significantly reduce your water charges. Small changes can lead to big savings over time, benefiting both your wallet and the environment. If you are looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.